guys, so that's breakfast cooked and done. So I got plum tomatoes, mushrooms, red onion, rosemary, Linda McCartney sausages, bacon, scrambled egg, beans, 2 toast. So hello guys, so I had breakfast, it is really nice, and I think I'm going to go down to Subway and have a salad for lunch. Because obviously I've got a weigh-in tomorrow, not looking forward to it. It's probably going to be quite a bad weigh, but whatever it says, you know, I'm just going to face it. If I put on, I put on. If I've lost even better, but I do think I've got a gain, but so I'll just start fresh again. That's all you can do, really. So guys, I got 2 lucky bugs, 2 red 100,000 cards, and the 2 mega rich that I've been after. I've been after these cards for ages. Right guys, first card. Match 3 to win. So 5,000. 5,000. £5. £20. £100. £5, £20, £5, £1. So we have £5 winner. That's a good start. Next card, guys. Let me bring that closer. So we have £2, £10, £2, £100, 5,000, 100, £2, £5, 5,000. So another winner, guys, £2 winner. This is a good start today. So guys, I've never done this card before. It's a mega rich. I've been hunting everywhere for this, and finally Tesco's I've got it in today. So wish me luck. So bonus game, find a 10 to win £10. 13. Super bonus game, find a 20 to win £20. 35. Mega bonus game, find a 50 to win £50. 65. So nothing on the bonus games. So find a money bag to win a prize. Let me just zoom in a bit so you guys can see. So we have a volt, a pound, a bag, and a roll, nothing there. So what's this one? In a row, if 2 of the numbers add up to 10, you win the prize. 6 and 2, 8 and 6, 3 and 2, 1 and 4, nothing on that one. So then we move up. Winning symbols. So we have a chest. I can't even see that. A money tree.
Yeah.
So we have here a gold key. A bank, a house, palm tree, motorbike, and a helicopter. So this, guys, is not a winner. Guys, this is the last one here. Let's see if this has any luck to it. Find a 10, 15, find a 20, 45, find a 50, 75, nothing there. So let's find a money bag. So we have a volt, champagne, bit of gold, and a pound, nothing there. So we got to add up to 10, 6 and 7, 4 and a 3, 8 and a 1, oh that was close. An 8 and a 4. Nothing on there. Winning symbols. So So you have a helicopter and a plane. So you have a chest, a bank, a palm tree, a house, motorbike, and a suitcase. So guys, this is not a winner. That's not too bad though, really. So I've got my 2 winners here. £6, it's not bad at all. So me and Paul are off to Subway. I'm having a salad. What sub are you having, Paul?
I don't know. Hot Italian, I think.
Yeah, well, what ingredient you want inside it?
Oh, lettuce, tomato, all that.
I mean meat.
Stuff. Oh.
Turkey and ham.
Yeah,
BMT.
Turkey.
Me and Paul are just walking through the park to Subway. Might have to go through Asda first because... Oh, actually, no, I'll do Asda on the way back. No, actually, I'll go first. Because I want to get the pasta, cheese and broccoli. Oh, no, we get it in Iceland's. It's 50p in Iceland's. Yeah, we go Iceland's. So, that's what we're doing. Paul, are you going to eat it on the go?
No, when we get home.
When we get back? Alright. Are you getting a drink with it?
Yeah.
It won't be a bottle, it'll be a cup drink, though.
Yeah.
Alright. So that's what we're doing. And I got my winnings from last night, which is £8. And then I got my £7 winner from earlier. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use those winnings. So that's I got £15 winnings, I think. So I'm only going to spend a £5. So what I'm going to do, I'll trade in my winnings for more of the Mega Rich. And so I'm going to end up with 4 Mega Riches. But I'm only going to spend £5. So hopefully there's a nice winner on there. But those Mega Riches, they're so hard to get hold of. I mean, I've been to like 10 different shops and none of them have it. So I'm glad Tesco's got them in today. Just walking down Ramsgate. And these are the scenes. So as you can see, it's been raining. Don't know why. I mean, we had nice weather yesterday. And today it's raining. Oh, I don't know. This English weather. It is. Not much to see actually down here. So guys, here's my pasta. 50p, I get 2. Just a minute, the Slimming World meals, but I've had all these and I'm not really keen on them, to be honest. I only like the vegetable lasagna. Guys, we went to Arshan's, got the pasta, and we went to Subway. I got my salad. Paul got his sub roll, and we both got drinks. And it come to 1,200 points, which is lucky because I had 1,219 points. So that's points well spent for the last couple of days. And now we're just walking back. Where's the yeah? Because they're digging up the hole in the road, as you can see over there. Because we just don't care. Right guys, so I went and cashed in my scratch cards and I got the money, 15 quid, right? And because I cashed it in, like he said, do you want any more cards? And I said no, because he didn't have the card I wanted. So then he said to me again, he went, do you want the cards or the money? I said, well, I want the 15 quid, mate. But the way he said it was like, he was annoyed with me. He was annoyed. He was annoyed with me because like I didn't want cards and I just want the money from the till.
Yeah, and you got the cards from a different place anyway. So and you just robbed their money.
Oh, he's just moody because the guy yesterday, when I went to another shop like that, they moaned. Well, if that's the case, don't be advertising lottery in your shop then, isn't it? Simple. Isn't it, Paul?
Yeah.
It's crazy, man. Right, guys. Oh, hold on. Hat's not straight. There we go. So me and Paul, we're just walking up to Tesco's to go and get some Mega Rich cards. Hopefully they make me Mega Rich. It'd be nice. Hey, Paul.
Yeah.
I've done the lottery for tonight. 5.1 million rollover. Sounds nice, doesn't it? If I win that, it'd be great, but I doubt it very much. But as they say, you got to be in it to win it. So I think I'm going to go and get 4 Mega Rich. I think 4 sounds good.
4 or 5?
5.
Alright, we're going to get 5 Mega Rich cards. And then that'll be it. Because I've already got 15 quid in the kitty of winnings. And I'm going to start keeping that separate. He's got a cardboard window, boy. Oh my god, cardboard window. He's turning off and he's gone. Cardboard window, you know. It's over there. We're going to go and ransack their cards. Right, guys, so I noticed I went into Tesco's and they only had 2 Super Cash bonuses left. So I thought, let me get the last 2 because I might be lucky, innit? And these are the cards. I got 5 of those. So yeah. But just hope I win. I mean, I've been having some bad luck for the last few days, but I bought some earlier and I'm starting to win again. So fingers crossed. I've got some Mega Rich. I need to be Mega Rich. Definitely. Right, guys. So Paul has his Subway here.
Yeah.
How does it taste, bruv?
Lovely.
And in here I've got my chicken tikka breast. Then in here I have, if I can get it out. So I've got lettuce, red onion, sweet corn, tomatoes, cucumber and green pepper. Oh, they didn't give me green gherkin. I asked for gherkin. What idiots. I asked for gherkin, it's not in here. Oh, never mind, that'll do.
So it's not digged at the bottom?
So, just cooking a bit of this now. Pasta's bubbling away nicely in the pan. It's pretty much done. Paul's out there playing on the PlayStation. How was your Subway, Paul?
The best.
Wish I could have had that. I've got to have crappy salad. So guys, what I normally do is I'll just whack the pasta on top of the salad and just dig my way through. So here's the salad. It's quite nice. I'm just gonna load that all on top. There you go, guys. So pasta's on top with the salad. I'm just gonna dig through, and that's lunch is served. Right, guys. So there's lunch. So I have my cheese and broccoli pasta, which is 2.5 sins. I've got obviously my salad is underneath, which I've got lettuce, cucumber, tomato, red pepper, sweet corn, red onion, and then obviously I've got my chicken tikka breast as well. I probably won't even eat that. I'll probably save that tomorrow actually for my pizza. I'm gonna have pizza tomorrow. Well, I might not even have nothing tomorrow yet, I'm not sure. And a Diet Coke, and that's my lunch. So guys, you know, once I finish lunch and that, I'm gonna be doing the Mega Rich. Hopefully I'll get Mega Rich on those, but I doubt it because I don't seem to be doing well on the scratch cards recently. You know, start of the week I was doing well, but I suppose luck does, you know, have to end somewhere, don't it? So I'll just have to see what I can do. You know, if I don't win, I don't win. So if I get anything back, it's a bonus. But you know, you can't expect to win all the time, and a lot of people expect to win all the time, but it's just the way it goes. You know, that's gambling for you. You win some, you lose some. Hello guys, so I've just had lunch, and I didn't really enjoy it, to be quite honest. Oh, I enjoyed the pasta, but I'm getting bored of salads. You know, just getting bored. I keep having them all the time. But there is so much that you can have, but I think it's just the effort to making it. But, you know, you'd hate doing it, you know, 7 days a week. It does get boring. Anyway, so I'm going to start doing these now. So as I said earlier, these were the last 2 in the machine in the shop. And I have 5 of these ones. Now, I mean, if you look on YouTube, people have actually win big on these cards. So I know that they're £5, but someone won £100 on the card the other day. So, you know, they are worth it, but it's whether, you know, you can win. It says on here, overall odds of winning a prize are approximately 1 in 3.69. So if you can see that here, just here and there. But, you know, you don't know till you try, do you? So I'm going to give them a go, see how I get on.
So guys, I have the 2 Super Cash bonuses and I have 5 Mega Rich. You know, people I know have been winning on these cards, so I thought, well, let me have a go. It was quite hard to find this card. I've been looking everywhere to try and track this card. Finally tracked it out and I'm going to try it out. Right guys, so this is the first card, Super Cash bonus. I will start with a bonus one first. I normally win on the bonuses. It's very rare that I actually win in the play area. But right, here we go. Let's give it a go. Find the fingers, no, it's a save. So nothing on the bonus this time. So we have Piggy Bank, Star, Star and Gold. Key, 7, Bolt and Gold. So we have a pound, money bag, diamond and diamond. Bolt, key, pound and a crown. So I believe there's nothing on that card there. Right, last card. Obviously because they only had 2, I wish they had more but they didn't. Bonus game. Nope, it's a chest, so there's no winner there. Play area, we've got a star, piggy bank, key, and a bolt. Then we've got here a bolt, a crown, and a key. Then we've got here gold, 7, a pound, and a 7. Then we've got a diamond, a pound, and a piggy bank. So the last 2 cards was not winners at all. That's a shame. Right guys, so this is the first Mega Rich. Hope you can see. First one. Find a 10. 13. Find a 20. 35. Find a 50, 65, nothing there. So let's just move it up a bit. So we want to find a money bag, a vault, a pound, a wallet, and a stack. So nothing there. So we've got to add up to 10. 8 and 7. 7 and 1. 5 and 4, 1 and 4, nothing there. Get a bit closer. Winning symbols, suitcase and a chest, money tree, house, bank, motorbike, limo, and a heli. So the first card's not a winner. Next card. Find a 10. 14. Find a 20. 40. Find a 50. 70. Money bag. Where are you? Necklace. Vault, gold, and a ring. So 5 and 8, 5 and 7, 4 and 3, 8 and 6. Nothing there. Winning symbols, motorbike, and a ship. So limo and a heli, suitcase and a chest, plane and a money tree. Not a winner. This is looking bad, but you know, there's still 3 more cards. There's still hope. 10. Right, there's a 15, not a winner. 45. 75. Nothing on the bonus games. Oh, money bag, where are you? A bag, a roll, a vault, and a wallet. 9 and a 3, 4 and a 2, 9 and a 5, 8 and a 1. Oh, that was close. Right. Winning symbols, a limo and a motorbike, a bank and a plane, house and a heli, money tree and a ship. Not a winner. Next card. Come on, get a 10. 14, 40, 70. So, money bag, where are you? So we have a wallet, necklace, champagne. What's that? Gold cup. 5 and a 9. 7 and a 2.
Close.
8 and a 5. 4 and an 8. Nothing there. I'm really having bad luck. Winning symbols are a helicopter and a palm tree. Suitcase, plane, house, motorbike, limo, and a palm tree. So I have a winner for £5, guys. That time as well. Well, guys, this is the last card. Hopefully there is a winner here, yeah? Let's go. Bonus. Oh, 5 out of 10, but there's 11, 25, 55. Oh, nothing there. Money bag, where are you? So we have a bag, necklace, a vault, and a roll. 5 and an 8, 5 and a 2, 3, 7. We got 10.
Scratch it off at the end.
So we have a winner. 8, please be a 2, and a 6. We'll come back to that. So winning symbols is a limo and a house. Helicopter, motorbike, plane, money tree, which I wish I had, a chest, and a palm. So we have a £5 winner. So 2 winners, it's not bad. Can't complain at that. You know, so we've got 2 winners here. Look who we got at the door.
Hello. So guys, I've just cashed in my winner. Well, winners. So I've got £10. I stuck that away on a separate. So from the winnings, I've got 25 quid now. I've laid all the plates out for Kirsty so she can dish it all up onto the plates.
You have, and have I got it in the right bit, Gazal?
You have indeed. Thank you.
Dirty.
Dinner cooked by Kirsty. So we've got sweet corn, cauliflower, peas, broccoli, carrots, pork chop, mash and gravy, Yorkshire pudding. Just want to say thank you for Gaz and Kirsty for the lovely dinner they did me tonight. Thank you very much. It was delicious and I enjoyed it. 13, 35, 65. Gold. We have a money bag. We have a wallet and a £1. 1 and 5, 6 and 8, 5 and 9,
6 and 3. God. Winning symbols are motorbike and a plane. Chest, helicopter, limo, suitcase, ship, and a house. So the prize is £10, guys. A nice £10 winner. Last cards, guys. 15, 45, 75. Vault, a ring, wallet, and a stack. 4 and 8, 7 and a 2, 8 and a 5, 5 and a 9. Winning symbol is a palm tree and a money tree. I wish I had a money tree. Don't we all, eh? So we have a chest and a house, a heli, a bank, a plane, and a suitcase. Well, it's not bad. Hello guys, so just had a bath and now I'm gonna chill and probably scratch off a couple more cards because I just collected my winnings, and one of the cards that I got was the last 2, so I thought, I'm thinking winners, so fingers crossed, and I'll scratch those off, then that'll be the end of the video. So guys, this is a new card, as I was saying earlier, and basically I've never done this one before, and this was like one of the last ones they had, so here's goes nothing. So winning numbers are 7, that's good, my lucky number. 13, oh that's unlucky. 30, 1 and 22. First number is 23. And we got 11. 15. 27. 28. 20. Hope you guys can see this. 14, 25, 9, 6, 26, 29, 5, 13, so then we've got a winner here, and 10. So the winner is £5. First card, first win. Brilliant. This is the last card of the 100 million cash spectacular. And the winning numbers are 20, 4, 6, 24, and 30. So we've got 25, 22, 19, 15, and we have a win here. We found a money bag. Find a money. Okay. And we have an 8. We've got a 9, 16, 18, 28. Hope you guys can see there. 1, 26, 13, 7, and a 5. So the win is £10. The last 2 cards for these were winners. That's a great win. Lovely jubbly. Right, next one. Last of all. So people can see. We have a win, 10. My first bonus on a Mega Rich. 35 and 65. Oh, this is good. So, money bag, where are you? Right, so we got a pound sign. We got a roll. We got gold and a necklace. 5 and a 1, 7 and a 3. That's another win. 4 and 2, 4 and 5. Right, winning symbols. We have a palm tree and we have a gold key. Helicopter, bank, motorbike, plane. We have a limo and a ship. So the prize is £10. £20 on this card. Oh my god, thank you very much. This is a great day. So guys, we have 10 and 10, that's £20. In here we have £5, and here we have another £10. So what's that? That's 20, 30, that's £35. I am so happy. Been waiting for this win and it's come. I'm very pleased. Right guys, so that is absolutely amazing. I'm very happy with that. 2 cards I never got before, and both of them were winners. And you know, my first big win on the money one. Yeah, I've never won on the bonus on this one, so I'm quite pleased with that. So 3 cards, 35 quid, winner, chicken dinner. Right guys, so now I'm going to end today's video. You know, it's been a good day. You enjoyed yourself, Paul?
Yep.
Good day, down the Subway and that and back, up to Tesco's. Gonna get some more cars and that, winners. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a good thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And don't forget to come and check out Paul's channel. Paul, what's your channel?
Paul's Amazing Vlogs.
So, come and check it out. And we will catch you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.